Hello and welcome to another Train Sim World video. Today we are on the Hadfield line. This is at the moment Glossop. Let me just turn the cab light on so I know what I'm doing. Get that in. Open the bloody doors. And isolate the... Oh, may as well just do it by the keybinds. It's easier. Nope. On. TV. Nice one. Yeah, it still does that, okay. We've got night lights on, haven't we? No. So it should start getting lighter soon, but here we are with 323227. First train of the day. And it should be a nice one. That's a quiet one. Well, I'll say that, it's got already quite a lot of passengers on it. Oh. Newspaper and plant pot. Lots of collectibles on this route, makes it very fun. So yeah, we should be into Manchester at around... not too far away. It's not a particularly long journey. Right, I'll close the doors in a second. Door interlock says no interlock, which is correct. It will be in a minute. Right. Here we go. Turn the cab light off. 1 second, I think my volume's a little bit too quiet. Bit. I've never drove this line before, so this is more first look video. I've done a guard scenario, but that's about it. So next stop, Glossop. Yep, nice one. Oh, that was Hadfield. Alright, we're going to Glossop now. I didn't know. We're speeding. We were speeding, we're not speeding now. We're on quite a steep downhill. There goes the AWS. 40. Alright, it's a nice one. We'll have to go down to 10 miles an hour now anyway, so wasn't much point at the 40, but I'm glad we got it. Beep beep. Probably shouldn't be using the horn at this time in the morning, should I? Probably not. Yeah, well. So up at Glossop, we're going to have to change ends. Go down to 10 miles per hour now. There's Deanting just there, but we're not stopping there yet. We're stopping there on the way back. It's a weird station. It's like we're doing this curve, but there's only platforms on these two. So, yeah. Get it up to 10 miles an hour. We'll soon be going 25 again, don't you worry. Hopefully. And hopefully it'll be like a bit lighter once we get to Manchester anyway. It's not a great idea doing a first look video in the dark, but it is what it is. We're going up to 25 in a second. 25. I love the sound of these. We're going up to 45 in about 100 yards. But we're not got far until Glossop Station, so we'll see. Yeah, we'll be able to go up to 45 and back down to 10, I reckon. Maybe. Slam the brakes on. We'll travel at a more comfortable 32 for a minute or so. I know there's two PWS grids at the end of it, so I do not want them to go off, because I remember the last time on the Cross City line when I kept getting tripped by two PWS grids, and I was not happy. For some reason we're not timed at these stations. Speeding a bit. Oh well. Slide downhill. I've only ever been to Glossop once, and that was on the way to Sheffield on the bus. The route don't run anymore, but it was a nice scenic route when it wasn't horrible and foggy. It was alright on the way there. On the way back, it was disgusting weather. Here we are at Glossop. Quick turnaround here, so I need to run to the other side of the train and get that set up. Map. I don't know if we'll be collecting any collectibles here. The train might drive off without me, and I don't want that. There we go. Okay, so it's going to come up saying, oh wow, look, you did quite poorly, but oh no, I gotta go, there you go. And now we're going to Manchester. Let's be quick, quick. 54, oh, we've got 3 minutes. Still be quick. Alright, I got all the collectibles now. Wait for service to start at 05:52. Actually, I'll close that. It's a cold December morning. We would not want the freezing cold of the air, well, the freezing cold air coming in. Let's put it into neutral. Have a quick look outside before we go. Lovely. Right. Give it a minute. It'll say, oh, service starting. So we are on time. That is good. I'm just hoping this sun rises fairly quickly. Right, Dinting, Broadbottom, Hattersley, Godley, Newton for Hyde, Flowery Field, Guidebridge, Gorton, Ashbury's and Manchester Piccadilly. Okay, so we're gonna, no, we've got until 54, so we'll wait a minute. We have got a lot longer than I thought we had. I thought we had about 2 minutes, but obviously not. Oh, that aura was just really early. That would make sense though. Right. I never knew the lights were like this in this. Really? I thought they were just still like this. Oh. Interesting. Hello, people. I so wish I could open these little windows. Right, we'll leave a bit early because I don't like waiting. There we go. Oh, thrash. No! 323 thrash did me over. mph here until about 100 yards when I could do 45. Oh yeah, we shouldn't be doing the horn, should we? Too early. Right, let's get some of this 323 thrash. We have passed the ball somewhere. Yeah, there. Hellfire. Lovely stuff. Up to 45 now. So I think the most that we do on this route is 60 miles per hour. So down for 25. Perfect. Right. Speed back up to 25. Dinting is our next stop at 5:57. I'm supposed to be slowing down for. Oh, I'll put the emergency brakes on. Oops. Won't make much of a bloody difference anyway. Back up to 10 miles an hour. Probably shouldn't have used full power down there, but oh well. This is Dinting. So yeah, what we've done so far is we've come from there, gone around that curve, gone up there, going back down, and then we're going to go down that line. That's what we've done. Okay, so we're just going to stop here. No, that's the sander. Gas key in and open the doors. Wow, when did I become competent? Do any trains actually go onto this platform? Yes. 2356 Glossop. Okay, there you go. So, if you want to go to Glossop through this platform, you can. Remember that. Quite a lot of collectibles on this platform. We're probably going to be late out of here, but oh well, it's not very light. 6 out of 25 route maps. There's 2 route maps here. Wow. More newspapers. No, can't go out there. Posters, flowers, and is that it? Yep, it is. Okay, let's go. No, let me in. Oh, bloody doors. Again, there's no real need, no real need to go up to 20, the full power on here. I so want to press the horn. So we can accelerate up to 25 here. Yeah. No, yeah. 40. I love that sound. I need to keep that window closed because it's just so annoying and loud. You probably won't be able to hear me very well. Yep, so I think 60 is our top speed on this journey today. There we go. After Broadbottom Station, the limit goes down to 40 miles per hour. That's quite sad. Right. Well, let's keep our speed at 60. Nice one. In a mile we'll have Broadbottom Station. Coasting along quite nicely. Can't see much yet. Maybe this was a bad idea to do it at winter. Slowing down 40. I thought it was after the station. Yeah, I've given up on the horn laws now already, so yeah. I lost the speed laws by the looks of it. So this is Broadbottom. I don't know who named this place, but it's Broadbottom. Hello there. Right. Next station here. Didn't even see the flower pot, if I'm honest. What else have we got? No, down there, no, down there. Another flower pot. Route map. Poster. Is that it? No. Metros. Another route map. Oh, let's listen to this now. There we go. Sounds beautiful. Next station, Hattersley, in just under a mile. We're gonna start losing time because we're going around after collectibles, but ah well. Oh well. We got 20 seconds to do just under half, well, just over half a mile. Not happening. To be fair, it's coming up quite quickly, isn't it? At 60 miles per hour, so we're going to put a little bit of braking on. Right, here we go. Oh, I remember this station. I've been here once. That weird footbridge scares me. Hang on. No. What did I just press then? Coach wise no. Oh well. Newspapers. What else? Is that a map? And some posters. There we go, back to the train. I'm a minute late now. This isn't good. Can you go up there? Oh. Oh, passengers are going to be wondering what's going on because I'm shining a flashlight outside the train. Hellfire. Lovely. Next up, Godley. In 30 seconds again. Not going to be on time there. We'll be in Manchester before we know it. What we got? Godley, News of Hyde, Flowery Fields, Guidebridge, Gorton, Ashbury's and Manchester Piccadilly. Oh! Is this a station? Oh no, okay. I thought it was a station. Ah! Oh, just lagged a bit there. Come on, game. You may hear a siren go past. That's because there's a siren going past my house. What? Oh, bloody key. God knows what the passengers think, seeing the train driver get out at every stop, refilling everything. Newspapers. Poster. Flowers. Next up, News of Hyde, and under half, well, just over half a mile. Got a yellow signal coming up. I don't know what that's about. I think it might be a fixed distance signal. I got a packet of skips here, you know, the crisps that melt on your tongue. Yeah, that's quite like them. I don't know if everyone will know what they are. They're English. I don't know if they're in any other countries. Another trade. Hello. I do like the 3-2 freeze. It has to be said. Now we're going to kind of overrun this platform a bit because I am stupid at driving. Oh yes we are. Bye station. Shit. Yeah, this timetable's shot. The stopping distances are shot. Everything's shot. We are never getting on time again, I can tell you that. Oh, hello. Right, I won't go down there because I might need to go down there because there might be something down there. There was, most definitely was. Anything up here? No, more stuff up here. Route map. Flowers. What's that? I don't know what that terrible sound is. Close that door, close them doors, close that door, take that key out, and go. We're 2 minutes late now. That green signal, we've got a green signal now down here anyway, so. Yeah. Next stop, Flowery Field. Was supposed to be there 20 seconds ago. Yeah. The overhead cables look weird in here. Not because they're part of the wood head sort of stuff, but it just looks odd. Slow down. Oh no, we're going to overrun this platform as well. No, there should be plenty of time to slow down. As long as we're coming into platforms at around 30 miles per hour, we've not got any worries. Come on. Oh, it looks like we do have some worries then, because we are not stopping there. Oh no, we might be stopping in the correct place. Barely. Come on, go. Right, what's up here? Move! This torch is terrible. Oh, I can step in the road, I think. No, no, that was a waste of time. I've been here before. Oh, how did I manage to miss it that badly? No route map. Ah, there it is. And a poster at the end, I assume that is. Yep. There's B. Map. Newspapers. Poster. Perfect. Right, 2 minutes late off here. Right, Skide Bridge is our next stop. I've got most of the stuff from these stations, so there's no need to go and get it again. Up to 60 miles per hour. I've got a mile and a half. Should be there in around 5 seconds. Yeah,